Light is fast, like really fast. But what if you could move that fast? Put on your seatbelt, because we're hitting the light speed button. 3, 2, 1, zoom! Suddenly, the world looks weird. Blue shift. Everything in front of you turns bright blue. The universe becomes a tiny tunnel right in front of your eyes. Time? For you, it basically stops. You're frozen in a moment. You just passed Pluto in 4 hours. Normally, that takes 9 years. While you spent 5 minutes at light speed, 50 years passed on Earth. Watch out! Even a tiny speck of dust hits like an atomic bomb. So light speed is cool, but maybe stick to your bicycle for now. The faster you go, the heavier you get. Physics is weird like that. Even at 300,000 kilometers per second, space is big. The next star? Still 4 years away. A trip to the sun? Just 8 minutes. But maybe don't go during the day? You'll melt. If you hold a mirror, would you see your reflection? Einstein says yes, but you'd look distorted. To reach light speed, you need infinite energy. That's a lot of batteries. Stars behind you disappear. Stars in front of you bunch up together. It's a cosmic party. Trying to call your mom. Hi mom. She'll hear it in the year 2070. Awkward. Time dilation is real. You're basically a time traveler now. Look at you, Mr. Future. But be careful. If you miss your stop, you'll end up in the middle of nowhere. Forever. So, would you take the trip? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to Ifverse to explore the craziest scientific scenarios in the galaxy.